Jai Hind everyone. From the lab of Sainik School Khara Kheri, today we are going to present such a reaction which produces so much heat it almost feels like lightning. Chemically, we are going to see oxidation of alcohols into aldehydes and then over-oxidation into acetic acid. For this, we are going to use KMnO4 potassium permanganate as oxidizing agent and sulfuric acid.
This is blending reaction. It is a powerful reaction which shows organic oxidation. But as a soldier of science, we have to ensure our safety first.
We have to establish a rigid setup by mounting a test tube on the stand.
First of all, we start by adding concentrated sulfuric acid into a reacting vessel.
Now we carefully put the ethanol into this reaction. We must do this gently to ensure that the layers stay distinct for a moment.
Now the catalyst for the stone. We add potassium permanganate into our reacting vessel.
Why? That looks like magic. It's a fierce chemical battle. This is redox reaction, oxidation. The sulfuric acid reacts with the KMnO4 to create manganese heptoxide, an extremely unstable and powerful oxidizing agent. When it touches the alcohol, it explodes in those tiny watts of light you see.
Let's talk about the energy. Notice the intensity of the heat, which tells about the thermodynamics of this lightning. This reaction is highly exothermic as it releases a massive amount of energy into the surroundings. When we see a temperature jump from room temperature to almost 90 degrees Celsius within seconds. Because the energy is released so rapidly, it manifests as both heat and light. Conversely, an endothermic reaction would have sucked heat from surrounding, making the beaker feel cold.
So, in this reaction, we have demonstrated oxidation of alcohols into acetic acid, which is a highly exothermic reaction. Though there are multiple precautions which we need to take in this reaction, but I will tell you the most important one. Try to make a rigid setup that requires no human contact. If the reaction becomes too violent, it might be hard to control. So,
Be careful,
stay safe. Jai Hind.